今仔日早起，咱先赶紧来关心一个上新的消息。美国总统川普讲，中国国家主席习近平已经甲挂保证，讲伫咧共和党领导人任期内底，未对台湾采取行动。针对这件代志，目前咱国甲中国是拢也无回应。
主持人问川普，伫川习会敢真正无讲到台湾的代志
？Would you order U.S. forces to defend Taiwan?
You'll find out if it happens. And he understands the answer to that.
Why not say
This
it?
never even came up yesterday as a subject. He never brought it up. People were a little surprised at that. He never brought it up because he understands it, and he understands it very well. They understand what's going to happen, and he has openly said, and his people have openly said at meetings, we would never do anything while President Trump is president, because they know the consequences.
中国驻美国的大使馆发言人刘平虎并无正面回应，川普是毋是真正有受到习近平或者是中国官员对台湾的相关保证？伊进前就讲过，中国绝对无允准任何人、任何势力以任何方式，甲台湾自中国分裂出去。白宫也无进一步说明习近平或者是中国的官员当时向川普传达过，伫共和党总统任内未采取军事行动的消息。川普讲习近平30伫南韩的会谈，并无讲到长期以来将有争议的台湾问题，重点是放伫咧美中贸易一个紧张的局势。国际社会正注意的是无答案。伊当阵咱外交部有讲，有一直伫咧关心注意美中高层的互动，台美之间互信友好，沟通正顺。公司新闻黄文玲编译。